Are you guys ready for a truly crazy case? As you can see, this is almost as old as me, the slide itself. It's from the pancreas. It was almost a unilocular cyst covered by a fibrous wall. A lot of the lining epithelium is denuded, but some of it is intact. When you look really closely, what you'll see is a single layer of cuboidal epithelium. Perhaps there are small prominent nucleoli. And I go to this area primarily to show you these little dips in the epithelium. Let's go down here where there is some lining epithelium, and this is where it starts getting interesting. I know this is a bit fuzzy. There seems to be some granularity here, and then there are these micro acinar structures, may I dare call them micro acinar structures, that are present here. But I also wanted to highlight for you the fact that there is little or no vascularity right under that epithelium. Granularity within the apical compartment. Almost brick red, dare I say. So spot on, guys. This turned out to be an acinar cell cystadenoma, although now apparently more appropriately called acinar cystic transformation of the pancreas, a term that I somewhat oppose, but obviously I don't have a voice in the matter. This epithelium is somewhat nonspecific, but I did want to point out to you that there was no vascularity right beneath the epithelium, which would suggest a serous cystadenoma. Additionally, unlike a serous cystadenoma, the mucosal lining epithelium shows very clear cells. Here, these cells show dense eosinophilic cytoplasm. And for both those reasons, I do not think this is a serous cystadenoma. Those little dips down here are an attempt to create acinar differentiation, not very overt, but there is overt differentiation back here. And this is as overt and overt as overt can be. Notice these brick red granules. These are zymogen granules. In addition, there is overt acinar cell differentiation within that lining epithelium. So no malignancy, acinar cell cystadenoma, or acinar cystic transformation. Back then, remember, this was back in the first decade of this century. The only decent stain we had was trypsin. Fortunately, the trypsin stain was pretty strongly positive. Interestingly, the trypsin stain was strongly positive in areas with more overt acinar cell differentiation. In areas like this, where there wasn't that overt acinar cell differentiation, the trypsin was only focally positive.